What is DeFi? Decentralized finance is a peer-to-peer global system for storing and transferring assets. It does not have the restrictions and costs associated with a traditional centralized bank system. Advocates believe that DeFi can accomplish everything a bank, brick and mortar or online only, but faster and more transparently via digital smart contract on public ledger blockchains like Ethereum. If you are considering moving to cryptocurrencies or DeFi, it is worth speaking with a financial advisor. MakerDAO was established in 2014. It is often credited as the first DeFi platform to be widely used. It is an open-source project based on Ethereum blockchain. DeFi. How does it work? DeFi is based on a decentralized public blockchain network that includes stablecoins, DeFi apps, or dApps. Blockchains constantly collect large amounts of data and link them to ensure that transactions from the past are unalterably and immutably documented. Every transaction can be verified publicly by anyone. Once it is added to the chain, it cannot be altered. Blockchain is more secure than other alternatives that rely on one central authority or owner, such as banks, corporations, and governments. Blockchain technology allows for the tracking of single pieces of data, such as cryptocurrency payments. This allows you to trace their owners back and verify them. It is a verifiable currency that can be used in financial transactions more securely than fiat currencies. Stablecoins can be described as a cryptocurrency that combines the security, transparency, and immediacy cryptocurrencies with fiat currencies. DeFi apps, or dApps, use Ethereum blockchain to process transactions. Ether, which is the Ethereum currency, can be purchased to purchase other cryptocurrencies. You can also lend, spend, and save with it. The blockchain network was created thanks to cryptocurrencies. You can do almost everything with cryptocurrencies, such as borrowing or lending, using dApps such as Maker, Compound, and Banker. In addition, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are popular among artists, collectors, and celebrities. Pros and cons of DeFi. DeFi has many advantages, including speed, security, and cost. Everyone can access cryptocurrency and blockchains via an internet connection. Users can trade and move assets at any time without the need to wait for bank transfers or pay bank fees. DeFi is very fast. The blockchain is always up to date as soon as a transaction occurs. Interest rates can be updated multiple times per minute. DeFi's open nature means that everyone can see every transaction. Because of the way that blockchain logs transactions, it would be difficult to steal cryptocurrency. DX Exchange, for example, allows you to trade and invest in tokenized stocks-backed MPS Marketplace Services Limited and Nasdaq. BitPay, an emerging technology that allows physical goods to be purchased in crypto, can be used to pay for dollars. Another potential benefit of DeFi was revealed by the economic impact of COVID-19 and how banks responded. Some central banks cut interest rates in response to the recession caused by the pandemic. This was done to protect the economy and maintain consumer spending. This reduced the net worth of savers. A DeFi regime would make it much harder, if not impossible, for a central bank to manipulate the currency's value. DeFi allows users to protect their assets against central bank manipulation. DeFi also has its disadvantages. DeFi users cannot protect their assets against market fluctuations. The value of assets fluctuates frequently, sometimes very dramatically. Trading could become costly if Ethereum transaction rates fluctuate. Additionally, dApps are still a new technology, so potential weaknesses and liabilities could emerge. There are potential tax implications when you purchase, trade, and invest via DeFi. The final issue is the design of new policies and regulatory programs. It remains to be seen how regulators will react to stablecoins and central bank digital currencies. The bottom line: DeFi is globally accessible and permissionless. This means that anyone can access funds and other assets from anywhere, at any time. DeFi could be used widely to speed up the transition toward a cashless society. Hacking could also be reduced. Because blockchain technology tracks transactions and protects them, it would be necessary to launch a coordinated cyber attack to break the chain. This type of attack is unlikely and would prove difficult to execute. The attackers would likely be paid more than the benefit. Tips for investing. To learn more about how to get financial exposure to blockchain technology, talk to a financial advisor. It doesn't take much to find the right financial advisor. Securities linked to blockchain-based companies are now considered an alternative investment and not part of a basic investor portfolio. One way to gain financial exposure to blockchain technology is to invest in cryptocurrency. The most popular exchanges include Binance Exchange, DAX, Bitfinex, and Coinbase. These exchanges let you buy currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum using a debit card.